I think, like the show organizers and like we have done, all of us have listened more to our clients. They have listened to us, we have listened to what people expect who are coming to the show, and I believe that is resulting in what we see behind us here in a show that is more actively promoted and that is maturing slowly but surely into the main event for what's happening in the marine lifestyle in the Middle East.
It's a very vibrant region. You can look around. It's always full of boats. This year we have a very good turnout already within the first 2 days. So if you want to do business here, you should be here.
We are very busy and we are very positively surprised, especially if we compare to previous years. We believe the organizers did a great job this year to really create traffic. And it's not only traffic, it's, you really find potential clients, and this is important for us. There are always many viewers, but we need at the end the client who buys a yacht.
Dubai is known as a luxury lifestyle city. It's certainly got a reputation in the Middle East for extravagance and opulence, so for us it's the perfect choice. We've got our sales guys here, we've got an aircraft in the region, there's no reason why we shouldn't be here. It's the perfect place.
Dubai for us is absolutely at this moment one of the hotspots in the world on the boat market.
Dubai is a hub, and you can find a lot of activities. In terms of the environment itself, I think is definitely the right place.
It's an international boat, so it's not for just the people living in Dubai or in the region here. It's for all the GCC area, and same time for the outside area like Europe or America or places like that.
This year Dubai Boat Show even much better than the last year, inaugurated by the ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. This year even the participants from the other companies, internationally and locally, we can find them here. I think Dubai Boat Show is a hub and a gateway for the marine industry.
When you talk about boats, yachts, and these brands, you need a place where you find nice weather, good business, good money, nice country and modern. And in Dubai you find everything in one town.
The show this year was amazing for us. From day one, half an hour through, we started meeting serious clients. We started closing some deals.
You can name anybody and they are here.